Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a free AWS account step by step. If you're new to AWS, don't worry, this tutorial will help you to get started quickly and easily. AWS offers a free tier that allows you to explore its services at no cost for 12 months. Let's dive in. The first step is to visit the official AWS website. Open your browser and go to the awsamazon.com. Once you are on the home page, click on Create a new AWS account. This will take you to the sign up page where you will need to enter your email address and create a strong password. Now it's time to enter your basic account details. Provide your email address. This will be your AWS account login. Create a secure password and confirm it. Once done, click Continue to proceed. Enter your AWS account name. You can use your personal name or business name. Now, AWS offers two types of accounts. First is personal and second is professional. Personal is best for individual users exploring AWS and professional is ideal for business and enterprise use. For this tutorial, I'll select personal and fill in my basic details like name, address and phone number. Click next once you have completed this step. Even though AWS offers a free tier, you still need to provide billing details for verification purposes. Like enter your credit or debit card details. AWS may place a temporary $1 hold on your account to verify the card, but don't worry, it will be refunded soon. Click Submit to move on to the next step. This step ensures your account is verified and ready to use. To enhance security, AWS requires identity verification, like enter your phone number, choose your country code and wait for the OTP. Enter OTP received via text or call. Click Verify to complete this step. Once your identity is confirmed, you can proceed to the final step. Now, AWS offers different support plans, but for most users, the basic support plan is enough. Select Basic. This is completely free. Click Complete Sign Up to finish the process. Congratulations, your AWS Free Tier account is now set up. Now that your account is ready, let's log in and explore AWS services. Go to aws.amazon.com/console. Click Sign in and enter your credentials. Once inside, you can start using AWS services like EC2, S3, Lambda, and more. That's it. You have successfully created an AWS free tier account and can now explore all the powerful tools AWS has to offer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cloud computing guides. Let me know in the comments what AWS services you are excited to try out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.